This professional performance blender crushes the competition because it packs 1680 watts of peak power to blend everything with ease. It's our most powerful home blender, so powerful that the 22,000 RPM motor is designed to cut through the toughest ingredients in seconds. The Powermax Professional Performance Blender features a top-quality, all-metal drive and stainless steel blades for robust performance. You'll find yourself experimenting with new food and beverage recipes all week long, and you'll enjoy restaurant-quality results every time you blend. Here are the key features of Hamilton Beach Powermax Professional Performance Blender for shakes and smoothies. One machine. Infinite possibilities. From weekday smoothies to weekend brunch, you'll be amazed with everything this multitasking machine can blend, liquefy, crush, and puree. You'll have fun experimenting with new recipes, and you'll enjoy adding more flavor and nutrition to your diet. Superior blending. Pureeing and ice crushing. Our most powerful home blender has a 1680 watt peak power motor that easily handles every blending task. You'll love having this much blending power at your fingertips, and you'll get restaurant quality results every time you blend. Cuts through the toughest ingredients in seconds. The high-performance 22,000 RPM motor is designed to cut through the toughest ingredients in seconds, even leafy greens that can slow other blenders down. Top quality, all-metal drive and blades. This blender is equipped with quality components from top to bottom. The all-metal drive and stainless steel blades provide robust performance and longevity, so you can be assured that this blender will stand the test of time. Durable 48 Oz. Glass jar. This durable glass jar won't stain or become cloudy over time, and it has convenient measurement marks. Easy to clean. The removable blades and dishwasher-safe jar and lid provide fast, easy cleanup. Intuitive touchpad with easy-to-select speeds and pulse for optimum control. The touchpad controls are labeled with which speed to use for different blending functions, so you don't have to guess which speed is best. The pulse option works at every speed and provides ultimate control. Easy pour spout for mess-free pouring. Don't let drips get in your way when you're trying to serve drinks. The leak-resistant lid has an easy pour spout for mess-free pouring. 3-year limited warranty. You can be confident of this smoothie blender's quality and performance because it's backed by 3-year limited warranty.